Proper nutrition for beginners, 5 basic principles. Now only lazy people do not talk about proper nutrition. There is so much information and, often, it is so contradictory that it is very difficult for a person who is just embarking on this path to understand where to start. I decided to simplify the task for you and highlighted the main 5 points that will greatly help beginners. 1. Start with a diet. This is very important when your internal biological clock is guided by the time of the next serving of food. It is very important that our body receives fuel for its work regularly. Then all metabolic processes will go faster and it will be easier to cope with extra pounds. Analyze your day, the number of meals. Keeping a food diary will help you a lot with this. Write down everything you eat and drink for several days. Tea with sugar is food, coffee with milk, even if without sugar, is also. It is important to build your diet so that there are at least 3 hours of food pauses without calorie intake. 2. Small portions. The second rule follows from the first rule. By observing the diet, you ensure yourself against bouts of severe hunger and you have much less chance of overeating. Portion should be small. For women, this is about 400 grams. At one time, for men, up to 450–550 grams. Regular overeating equals high probability of body fat. 3. Drink your water daily. An adult with moderate physical activity and in a moderately warm climate releases about 2.5 liters of water per day. Urine, sweat, breath. The body receives about 1 liter from solid food and the rest about 1.5 liters must be drunk. This is very average and can be both tea and compote, but the main volume should still be occupied by clean drinking water. Water is necessary for our body physiologically. With its help, all processes in the body proceed. In summer and people with high physical activity, the need for water may be higher. The most important and reliable indicator of whether you are drinking enough water is the color of your urine. It should be light yellow all the time. Start every morning with 1–2 glasses of warm water. 4. Review the foods that form the basis of your diet. It is very important that these are mostly healthy foods, whole, rich in valuable proteins, fats, carbohydrates, vitamins and minerals. It is these products that give us energy, strength, vivacity. Remember, the better the fuel, the better and without failures the whole mechanism works. The body is our machine for daily activities. Try to avoid heavily processed foods such as sausages, convenience foods, etc. The higher the degree of processing of the product, the less useful it remains. The basis of nutrition should be whole grains and cereals, vegetables and fruits, lean meat, poultry, fish, eggs, dairy and sour milk products. 5. Minimize sugar, confectionery and fast food. There is nothing useful in these products. That's absolutely nothing. They only irritate the taste buds and provoke you to eat even more. By eliminating such food waste, you will notice that excess weight begins to go away, and your well-being improves. A very important point is 6. It no longer relates to nutrition, but is an important part of a healthy lifestyle, where every piece is important, and together they put together the puzzle of a healthy and slender person. This is physical activity and healthy sleep. You need to move a lot and regularly. Not for nothing, movement is the basis of all life. Choose a sport for yourself and go to a club, run in the park, swim in the pool, dance at home to music, walk up the stairs, watch and repeat sets of exercises on the internet, lots of options. The main thing is that you like it. If you force yourself, for example, to run in the morning, then you will not last long. This is the same story as with strict diets, sooner or later everyone breaks down from them. And the results of such failures are sad. Sleep is your chance for recovery and repair. And the most fat-burning hormone is somatotropic, it is active at night. Just like the beauty hormone melatonin. Try not to go to bed on the day you plan to wake up. Start following these simple rules and after a while you will see a slimmer silhouette, feel a higher level of energy and in general you will feel better. Remember, the key to any qualitative change is the regularity and systematicity of your actions. Regularity